5 minus 3, then times 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 gives us 2. And again here we have 5 minus 3. So 2 times 2 equals 4. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. Because when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 3 times 5 equals 15. So 5 minus 15 minus 3. Now we have two subtraction, and when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this subtraction. 5 minus 15 gives us negative 10. So negative 10 minus 3, which equals negative 13. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 13.